Maintaining motivation for cleaning and chores can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can make it a more enjoyable and rewarding experience. Here are 3 tips to help you find motivation and tackle your cleaning tasks with enthusiasm. First, break down your cleaning goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Instead of overwhelming yourself with the thought of cleaning the entire house, focus on one room or specific areas at a time. By setting achievable goals, you'll feel a sense of progress and accomplishment, which will motivate you to continue. Next, create a positive environment while cleaning. Play upbeat music, podcasts, or audiobooks that you enjoy. This will help create a more enjoyable atmosphere and make the cleaning process feel less tedious. You can also use cleaning products with pleasant scents or reward yourself with small treats or breaks after completing each task. Lastly, involve others in the process. Cleaning can be more fun and motivating when you have someone to share the workload with. Consider turning it into a family or roommate's activity or invite a friend over to help. You can also join online communities or forums dedicated to cleaning and organizing for inspiration and support. In summary, break down tasks into smaller goals. Create a positive and enjoyable environment. Involve others for motivation and support.